Hi everyone, I am Sonani. In this video, let's understand routes in the Odoo 18 inventory module. Inside the route, we can also find the rules. So we will cover both routes and the rules in the inventory module. Routes define the path that a product follows inside a warehouse operations. Using routes, Odoo automatically decides how products move from one location to another. Routes help automate warehouse operations such as receiving goods, internal transfers, purchasing, and delivery products to customer. To configure the routes, first we will navigate into inventory module and then configuration. Into that we can see the routes here. Here we can create a new route by clicking on a new button. After clicking a new, the route creation page opens. First we enter the route name, anything like, let's take it as a delivery customer. Just customer. Yes, delivery customer. Next we shall select a company. Let it be my company, the San Francisco, for this route. Next we after selecting this, we have a section called as a applicable all. Here we define where this route can be applied. The route can be applicable on the product categories. If we checkbox 8, all products under that category will follow this route. Or the products, the route applies only to selected products. And packagings, used when the route is related to packaging processes and the warehouses here. If we select this, the route will apply to a specific warehouse. And if we select this sales order lines, the route can be selected directly in the sales order line. And also the shipping methods. After defining the applicability, we move to the rules section here. Inside this, when we click on this add a line, yes, the create rules page gets open. Here we configure how a product movement should happen. First, there is a name here. Just we shall give the name it as a custom rule for this route. And next we have the action here, action field, which defines what type of operation Odoo should perform. When we click on this, there is a drop down with the pull form, push to, pull and push and buy. This pull form means the product will be pulled from the source location when there is demand at the destination location. For example, when a customer places a sales order, the system pulls the product from stock to deliver to the customer. Next, there is a push to. Push to means the product will be automatically pushed to another location when it arrives at the specific location. Like for example, when goods arrive in the input location, the system automatically pushes them to the stock location. Next, we have the pull and push. Pull and push is a combining of both the actions, that is pull from and push to. When a product is required in the destination location, Odoo pulls it from a source location and then pushes it to the next location automatically. And this is commonly used in multi-step warehouse operations like pick, pack and ship. Next we have a buy. Buy means that when the product is required, Odoo will automatically create a purchase order to buy the product from a vendor. This is commonly used for like procurement and replenishment processes. Yes, let's click on let's select the pull from, and then we have the next as operation type here. The operation type, it includes the receipt, internal transfer and delivery orders. Receipts, why? Because for receiving products from vendors, and delivery orders for delivering products to customer, and internal transfer because for moving products between internal locations. And next we have a source location. The source location defines from where the product will be taken. And let's click on the CW stock here. And the destination location defines where the product should be moved. Let's click on the partner's customer. And supply method. This defines how the system will supply the product. Take from stock. Next, we have the applicability section and the propagation section. In the applicability section, we define a company for which this rule will apply. And in the propagation section, we have the propagation of a procurement group ensures that related operations stay connected. And next, cancel next to move. If we click on this checkbox, we'll cancel the next operation if the current one is cancelled. Next, the propagation of carrier. It transfers the delivery carrier information to the next step. If we click on this checkbox. Next, warehouse to propagate. It defines which warehouse will be used for the next operation. And if we scroll down, we are having the section called as the option, which consists of the partner address. If we want, we can add a partner address here as a Azure interior, and also we can add the lead time for how many days. Let's add it for 20 days here. And after creating the route, we need to click on this save and close. Oh yes, this operation type is missing. Let's click on this your company internal transfer here. Then save and close. Yes, the rule has been created for this delivery customer route. In this way, the route define the overall path of product movement, while rules define how products move between specific locations. Using routes and rules, Odoo can automatically manage warehouse operations and ensure smooth product movement without manual intervention. After saving this route will be saved. In this way, the routes and the rules works in Odoo Inventory.